Hi, welcome back again. All right. Very good morning to everyone. All right, those who are watching this video. Right, this is the fourth part of the video for this Flipkart end-to-end not automation. So in the first part, we created a framework, basic framework. In the second part of the video, we created library class and the reusable class. Third part of the video, we wrote a simple script, right, of searching this text box with a mobile and just searching, clicking the search button and getting this, right, this whole page is displayed or not. We check with this, right, one method called is display. Okay. Now, the fourth part of the video, what we are going to do is, right, we are going to, right, extract all these data, right, the result part, extract all these data and print in the console. I'm also planning to take this third right, right, result only and print in console. So as a part of a test case, I'm going to extract all the details, the result set complete, result set and print in console. And I'm going to just take this third part and I'm going to print it. Okay. So let's go back to the video. Go back to the Eclipse. Okay. Let's go and write a write a scenario now. New scenario now. We'll continue with this same one. Okay, let's continue the same. Okay, now now after result is displayed. Okay, after the result is displayed, what we do is we need to extract. Then we'll go for extraction here. Okay, then what we'll do is we'll type extract. Okay, extract the results and print in console. Extract the results and print in console. Okay. Now, next I'm going to add another one. Just print the third result in the console. I'm going to add another step. Print the third result and keep it in console. And keep it in result and keep it in the console. Okay. Right. So this steps will generate by running the Cucumber feature file. Okay. Now, what we'll do is we'll copy these two steps, right, two methods, and we'll create, go to the same step definition. Okay. We'll scroll down and we'll paste here. Okay. Now we'll paste here. Okay. Okay. Now we'll remove the right unwanted steps. Okay. So now the logic here is, right, if you go to the Flipkart, right, what happens? We have to get all the list of all the results and keep it somewhere, store it somewhere, and retrieve it and just write, right? So we have to keep that everything in a list, right? We'll keep it in a list, right? In a reference, we'll store it, right? And we'll loop it, then we'll bring it in a console. That is a plan. Okay, got it? Okay. Now let's go to the Eclipse. We'll go to Selenium reusable method class, whatever we added. We'll add a method here. We are, as I told you, we are going to expand this class whenever we need it, right, in the project. Okay. So let's create another method here. Public void multiple get text. Okay. Then right. Then we'll create, right, what we'll do is we need to write Just keep it everything in this, right? Store it in a reference and then use it, right? So for that we'll add this web element. Okay. What text we need? So I'll give text. I'll give text there. Text equal to element. So that's that. I'll pass the element. I'll pass the okay. I'll return some element. So I'll import the Java util package there. Okay. Then I'll give sys out. Then I'll print the size of that. Okay. So I'll give text dot size. So what happens now if I give size method? What happens? It extracts all the data and right stores in text. Right. Then if I give size, it gives the total number of the all the data. Okay. Now what I will do is we have to print it. Right. Then now for that iterate and print it. For that I use for each code. Okay. I give returns right web element. Okay. Then I give a count, right? So I give a reference, right? Text count, right? Colon text. So what happens? All the text will be passed to text count. Okay. Then what happens? I want to print it, right? All the text, right? I want to use get text method and print it. Okay. So I'll give total list. It should be a string total list equal to text count dot get text. What happens? It get extract everything, get the text and stores in total list. Right? Then I'll print the list. For identification purpose, right? I will make I'll put a star here. Okay. Okay. Now what happens? No, right? We right create a method here. Now what I'll do is I'll create another method. As I told you, I'm going to do two things. I'm going to extract all the data and keep in a console, and I'm going to extract a particular right data and keep. Like for example, I told right third row I want it. Right, I want the third result. Right, I want only this. Right, I want all, and I also want only the third thing to print. So I'm giving a right two demo here. One is to extract everything and to extract a particular row only. Okay, let's go on do it. Public void, right? Get value. Okay. Now we'll give web element. Okay. Web element. Okay. Now what I'll do is right, I'll import that package. Okay. Now I'll give right. I want to get the text right. So what I'll do is I'll give string text equal to element dot text. Get text. I'll use the get text method to get the particular right value and print it. For that I'll give sys out a particular reference whatever I created. Right. Sys out. Okay. Now let's go to the pages. So now what we did is we create a feature file in that we added steps. and we copy, generate the methods and paste in step definition, and we created a reusable method also, right? Now we want to go to pages, okay? Now we want to pages, then locate that particular element, right? Whatever, right, we want, right? So now the idea is I want to extract everything. For that, according to that, I should take an XPath now, okay? So for extracting everything based on everything the entire set, I need to extract get an XPath now. Okay, that's so we have added separately right videos for getting a right XPath. Different right ways of handling XPath like contain starts, right? Falling siblings, right? Residing, right? Contains link text, right? By attribute, tag name, right? Then right, different right at text by different way dynamic relative right everything we have added and operator or right, so we have done different XPath a separate video. You can follow us a channel and you can see those right different ways of handling an XPath. Okay, let's go now till now, right? Just give me a moment. So I have to write an XPath now which captures right the entire cell. So that's the basic idea here. Okay, I've taken XPath now. Okay, so which is going to capture the entire set. So you can see right 24 matches here. So it's going to take the 24 rows here. There is a 24 result sets which is there. Okay, you can see right if I just keep a down arrow, it just is able to locate all those elements. Okay, now let's copy this XPath and I'll add find by XPath equal to and I'll paste the value. Then I'll import that at find by. Okay, I'll import it in a single quotes. Okay, now now I'll create a reference, right, and it should be verbal and I'll keep it in a list. Web element entire result, entire result. Okay, now I'll import the web element. Okay, now right, so what happened, I did this one. Okay, now let's go and create a method here. Okay, I print entire list, print entire result, entire result. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll use the particular object, right? S E dot, okay, multiple get text and the entire result. Okay, now also we'll do for this one particular right result, right? For example, I need only third one. For that also we'll take an X path here. It's able to locate now. One of one match, it's able to locate now. I just took a copy expire and it's able to match it. Okay. Now I'll do same thing and do at find by XPath equal to, and I'll change it to double quotes, single quotes. Okay. Now the element, third result. Okay. Public void print third result. Okay. Now give sc dot get value. Okay. Then I'll give the third result of it, right? Whatever I create. Okay. Now what we'll do is I'll go to step definition. Okay. And I'll call that particular method sp dot print entire result. Next, and the next one sp dot print third result. Now let's run the code. We should get both, and we'll use this out also. Now let's run the code. Okay, now let's go to the console. Now we can see, right, the entire result we got. Right, we got the entire result. Okay, so this we extracted all the result from the Flipkart application. Got right. So this is how we do it, right? And we got the total count here, right? 24, and we got the entire result we got. Okay, so this is how we do. Okay, so this is one test case, and at the last we see, right, the third one is also verified. Got it. So hope, all right, this video is useful to many. All right, thanks for watching. You can, right, as I told you, we are planning for the most of, we are going to automate more test cases in the Flipkart, right, in future, right, with the extent report, attaching screenshot, right, running in Jenkins, right, pipeline also. Okay, slowly you continue watch us this, right, series of videos. Okay, hope it's useful for many. Thank you.